So my final decision for this device is definitely a... Let's bring the biggest test. I just received this car vacuum cleaner made by SEHENTOOLS, available on their website. It's a nice and simple and very useful car vacuum cleaner. So let's unbox this and let's see what we have in the box and what are the specifications. After that we will try this device to see how good it is. Inside you will have some accessories. You have two accessories like this. This is for a smaller and narrow spaces. Basically you can use it like this in your car between your seats and in any other small place. This is the hose, a flexible hose, and it's very nice. Let's take it out. These are the specifications. As you see, you can use it at your 12 volts in your car, at your cigarette lighter. This is a model. They say it has 60 watts. I don't know, we will try and we will see it. Also it has an LED light. These are the accessories, as I said, one hose, one brush and one nozzle. So this is a nozzle. And you have also this in the package. I believe it's for this. Yes, you can put it here and you can use it like this. Okay, as I said, accessories, flexible hose. You insert this accessory here and you can change it with this one. It's nice because this is flexible and you can use it in any space. This can be removed. Okay. You have a long cable here. 10 feet as I remember. It's pretty long. Anyway, you can cut it here and you can put 100 meters of cable if you want. This you can put it in your cigarette lighter port in your car and you will have that 12 volts energy. It's a very simple and light design and item. It's very easy. I don't know how many grams, but it's super easy, and I hope it will do the test, because we will do immediately a super test in this video. With this device you can do also wet and dry suction, and they say that you can remove wet objects, even water, I believe, from your car. Here is the LED, and here you will put the hose. Very simple, something like this. Okay, I like because it's very steady here. It has a removable dirt bin. Okay, I believe this is the dirt bin. You can clean it very easy and remove the dust and everything that you take from outside. This is a protection. It's not HEPA filter, but it will do. Anyway, I have also very expensive car vacuum cleaner, and it doesn't have, they don't have so good filters anyway. So this is a light filter, and you can replace it, I believe, with something like this material. You can find it on the market. From here you can start it, and let's see it in action. Now it's time for a heavy test.
This is too big. And a heavy test. Let's try it. Man, this thing, it's a beast. I wasn't expecting something like this, because I have a Black & Decker, and this device is better. I'm really impressed with it. Definitely I wasn't expecting something like this, such a huge power and a fast service, because it's very fast. I have here some dust, some rocks, sand, leaves, and let's see how it works. Was a big rock. So my final decision for this device is definitely a go, a major go. You can put it in your car very easy. It's small. You can take this off, and you will find a place. I'm sure. But the most important part is this one, the power. You saw how powerful it was here, and it will do a great job. This is the most important part. So a major go for this device. You won't believe it. Again, I repeat, you won't believe it that such a small device and not heavy at all, as you see here, can do a marvelous job like this. Incredible. Nothing paid here, not an ad. I'm just trying this device. It has a cheap plastic on it. As mine says, cheap plastic on it. I don't like the filter because it will lose some dust, but in just 3 minutes you'll clean the car. Very powerful.